Well, I just made a trip to my local Hobby Lobby in Harrison, Arkansas, which I've already said is in the Ozark Mountains, and it is the be-all, end-all for many people to get art supplies in this entire region. This is a pretty large Hobby Lobby, and I'm showing you the punches that I used. Now that's a tiny heart punch. That, I don't know, maybe I don't use that, but I have most of these. I use that little guy, this little tiny punch for pupils and smaller things, and there's another one. That's the punch I used yesterday for the mouth. But no, that's not. This is the one I used yesterday. I can't get close. There it is. But I want to show you something. Down here, that is the bigger punch. And I'm going to do something with that in just a minute. And I have all of these. I have circle punches, all sizes. And I have most of them because, especially when I was a children's librarian, then they have little sets that have like square. They have the little tiny heart and things. So that's the punch department.